Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video we're actually going to see how to do a blender top for Zapato. I mean a dress. So yeah, let's get started. I'm really sorry for Blender's little off today. And for Blender, I'm using 3.1.2 version of Blender, and we don't need the starting page, so I'm going to delete it. And for your information, I'm going to start the shortcut VUR, so you can actually see what I'm doing down here. So yeah, let's get started. First of all, go to file and import the FBX, which today I'm thinking of doing a dress. So I'm going to import a dress. I'm not sure you can still have this dress in the Zapato, but yeah, I'm sure you can't have this dress right now. But yeah, you can actually ask me. I will in mail I will send you this dress. So yeah, this is the dress which I'm going to use today. And for the mask, I'm selecting the mask, and I'm going to duplicate this mask. Yeah, duplicate this mask and rename it to dr underscore 01. Oh my god, it just changed its language by itself. So yeah, I'm sorry about that. So yeah, the underscore. So yeah, this is the dress we are going to make. First of all, just hide the mask, hide the dress. So you have the dr 001 with the armature. The armature is the things which is just popping off. So yeah, this is the thing. Go to select the dress and go to the edit mode. After in the edit mode, just go to the exhibition and see only the vertices. So I usually follow a method. So whatever the places I want, so I will just use a seam. So it just highlights the parts which where I want. So here, shift alt, no, alt select, shift alt select, shift alt select, shift alt select, shift alt select. Oh my god, no, shift alt select. Yeah, so this is the bodysuit which I'm going to use today. It's going to make today. So I'm going to merge seam. You can actually see it is actually highlighted, which I'm not actually selecting it. Just got highlighted in dark orange. So you can actually like change the highlight color, but I didn't change it. So it is really easy for me to select the unwanted stuffs, like just like this. I know where to stop. So yeah, it's really simple. Yeah, like this. After that, go to the next hand. After that, the bottom. After that, the top. For the top, we have to check. So after that, I'm going to just delete it. Delete the vertices. After deleting the vertices, go to vertex and go back to normal. So this is the dress which we are going to use today. So yeah, what I'm going to do is, keeping this as a bottom, I'm going to just make it as a gown. So this is going to be the bottom ones. It's not getting selected. Yeah, I'm gonna just shift and select the. I don't know why it's not. Oh, yeah. I've been shift and selecting it. So here it is. Alt select. This is going to be our bottom. So I'm going to separate this thing by selection. I'm going to mark seam and no, I don't know how to select it. So yeah, we are going to go to the world method. So X revision, we are going to select it. So this is the thing which I'm going to separate. I'm going to separate by selection. So you can actually see this the DR 01001. So this is going to be our top. See, bottom or the inner wear zipper requisite inner wear to be there for the avatar or the clothes we are making. So yeah, this is going to be our inner wear and this is going to be our gown. So just watch how we're going to turn this top into a gown. After this, select the bottom one, like alt select yes to no, drag it to down. No. Yeah, yeah, drag. Yeah, drag it to down, and then scale it for a liking. So you can actually see this became a cute little dress. So what I'm going to do now is look at it. So we can actually give it a little textures and stuff. So yeah, here it is. Next, go to the sculpt mode. Go to the layering options, symmetry, go to X, and layer everything like this. After that, I'm going to have, since it's a female, I'm going to create some for female. So yeah, after that, I'm going to use the grab, or you can also use the thumb one to just reduce the things. Yeah, just giving it here some texture. So here we have the gown or the frock or the whatever you say, a dress. So a dress is ready. So we will see the next things on the next video. Bye. So